bulk elements, as said that it is required by living organisms in large quantity. That is why it is called bulk. Okay, it is required for various functions and that is required in very large quantity. We have 6 bulk structural elements, that is oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. And also we have sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium and chlorine. So this 6 and this 5 altogether we have 11 bulk elements. And in the case of human being, these 11 elements constitute more than 99% of the total required quantity of elements, meaning this 11 uh, elements are required in very bulk quantity and it constitute almost 99 percentage of the total elements that are required. Okay, next we have the trace elements. Trace elements are required in very minute amounts, in very trace amounts. That is why it is called the trace elements. But it is required for the body for various functions. For various biological functions it is required. And among that we have 19 elements, and these 19 elements out of which 13 are found to be metals. That is, we have iron, copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, cobalt, chromium, vanadium, nickel, cadmium, tin, lead and lithium. And the rest 6 more elements are there, that is boron, fluorine, iodine, selenium, silicon and arsenic. So total you have 19 elements, and these 19 elements are said to be trace elements, which are required in very minute amount in our body, in the living organisms. And among these trace elements we can say that iron, copper and zinc is found to be the, or can be called as ultra trace elements, because these are required in very minute amount compared to the trace elements. Okay, so there are sometimes so these are the trace elements, and this iron, copper, zinc is already considered as a trace elements, and we can also say that these are actually these three are actually ultra trace elements. Okay.